G'day and welcome back to Fresh Look. I'm your host, Blake Bilko Williams. When we're travelling around the world, we have to get up ungodly hours to catch planes, trains and automobiles, and nothing infuriates me more than people who sleep in. So sometimes I like to take matters into my own hands. And now for this week's Fresh Look at alarm clocks. Thanks to Fisherman's Friend, your best friend for freshness. I'll tell you what, it's hard to soar with eagles when you work with turkeys. Practice is just about to start, and how's old mate?
Hey, mate! We've got practice in 10 minutes. Get out of bed!
Look at it stinks. Yeah. Oh, have some of them, and then get down to practice.
Now!
Sorry, I'm asleep in a while once again! Maybe the fireworks were a little bit over the top, but I promise they won't sleep in again. I'm Blake Williams, and that was my Fresh Look at alarm clocks. Thanks to Fisherman's Friend, your best friend for freshness.